The key to a good cistern installation is in the backfill material. When you're backfilling a cistern, it's a good idea to use something that is a mix between coarse gravel or stone and dust. This would be like a 304, which this is, or dense grade or crusher run, something that has large stone and dust mixed together. And the reason for this is if you use a uniform stone size, you're going to have a lot more void space that's going to accumulate water over time that's just going to sit right around that tank. And we don't want water to sit around the tank. We want to try to match the compaction of the ground that's surrounding the cistern so that water will continue to move around and past the cistern down to a stream bed or to an underground spring. We just want that water to keep moving instead of sitting by the tank.